Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are here up on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It is A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain.
Making the lines in our slab so that when the concrete guy can come in and just pour the cement over everything. So it's a pre-piping that we're doing. So our concrete contractor came in, give us the okay on our slab, which means everything's level and it's to his liking. And when he comes to put his forms in, it'll be easy for him. We'll be adding insulation under the forms and everything like that. But before we do that, I have to put all my septic in and my water lines have to be put in before he pours. So this is where we're at today, and we're going to start right now.